Hello friends, my name is Hamid. Today I'm working on this Blomberg washing machine. Today I will show you how to replace this door gasket. Here's the part number. And of course this is the door gasket, it's a tiny one. The model and serial number on the Blomberg washing machine is right here. When you open the door, in order to order any part, you have to get the model number from here, and then that's how you can order the correct part number. The reason I'm replacing this door gasket today is it's chewed by a dog and it leaks a lot of water. Even if it's chewed in this area, it will still leak water. And of course the knob is chewed too, but we need the door gasket. When you receive your door gasket and inspect it, really good, make sure there's no cuts or cracks or nothing in it. After that, you do not have to turn off the power to do this. You just need a tiny hook here. You have to look for the spring. There's a spring, retainer clip it's called. Goes around and it's right here. Lift it up. Peel it off. You take the outside towards inside. Now you can get to the back of it. There's a spring that you have to pull out. Okay, so I was trying to pull the back of it out, see? Just peel it out. This spring comes out. And if you remember, these holes, they line up at the bottom. Wipe it really good. This circular plastic pieces all around, you want the gasket to go at the back of this. So line up your gasket. These 3 holes comes straight at the bottom, straight, not here or there, it's straight down. This tiny nipple goes straight up top, so you're kind of holding it like this, and you see this opening. This opening gets inserted right here at the back of this. So you hold it like this. Line up these holes first. This is the hardest part. If you don't know how to install this or it's hard for you, you can always stretch it a little bit out. Do not stretch it too much, otherwise it's gonna cause issues. This part is easy. You just have to see the back here, goes through there. For the back part to install this gasket, you need a clamp. I forgot to bring my clamp and this was kind of emergency call. I was on my regular service calls and I got a phone call for the same area for this gasket installation. Otherwise, you can add those clamps that holds it in place and you don't have to use 3 hands.